Join us today as we explore Sandals Royal Curaçao Resort. But before that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the like and notify bell, and we'll be right back. Curacao is part of the ABC Islands, Aruba, Bonaire, and of course Curacao. Curacao is a small island of 155,000. You can get there directly in less than 3 hours from Miami. The capital is Willemstad, and it features stunning beaches, colonial architecture, a vibrant nightlife, and spectacular diving, and of course, orange liqueur. As we enter the resort, the vibe is laid back and elegant. It's a great resort. It's real new. It's only about 1.5 years old. Arriving at reception, you see big open windows and let those tropical breezes in everywhere you go. And as we step out onto the balcony, you're going to see expansive views of the pool and just the beautiful landscaping. Everywhere you go in the resort, it is immaculately clean and beautiful. Swaying palms are everywhere, and this is truly a tropical paradise. Can't you just feel those breezes? Friendly staff is always available, and they have these really cool beach cabanas. You know, love is definitely in the air. And this resort is designed so all the rooms face the ocean, not other rooms for privacy. There are 3 new food trucks here for a quick bite. Special Sandals Royal Curaçao fashion, a tropical wedding pavilion is on the beach for once-in-a-lifetime destination weddings. Can you imagine the photos you would have here? An on-site wedding department helps with all the details. They even have a ballroom for your reception catered by on-site restaurants from one of their 8 restaurants. Now let's explore some other parts of the resort. They have nightclub area. They have a full gym, and in that gym it has an ocean view. And of course there's a gift shop with sundries. And certain room levels have access to Mini Coopers to drive around for sightseeing and nightlife off the resort. Aren't these cool? Let's visit some of the restaurants on property. First is Zuka. It's a Latin fusion. It has a cool vibe, making it one of the most popular on the resort. Featuring a very elegant bar with premium wines and spirit. Next door, let's visit Vincent's. It's a modern European restaurant named after Vincent van Gogh and is more artsy in vibe. Now let's hop across the resort to Gatsu Gatsu for sushi. This is just 3 of the 8 different restaurants that are on property. Here's the pool with swim-up suites. Now let's visit a couple of the rooms here on the resort. Sandals Royal Curaçao only opened up about 1.5 years ago, so all the rooms were recently renovated and all the rooms are spacious and comfortable. Heading out on the balcony, we get quite the ocean panorama while still being private. This was an existing resort, but Sandals definitely put their own touch on it. Now, as we look at another room, let's look at the Curacao Island Suite. You're always connected at Sandals, and the tech is there, and you always have a fantastic view. The theming is spectacular and very modern. As we approach the concierge desk, our visit is coming to a close, but one more peek from the reception lobby balcony of paradise. We didn't know what to expect when we went to Curacao, but it quickly became a favorite of ours. Looking to book your next vacation? We are a Sandals certified expert. Call us today. This is Bill and Cecilia with Wheeler Vacations. Check out our other videos and subscribe now. Bon voyage.